Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add color to columns of a table in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly go into the insert menu option and click for the table option, then create a table. Firstly I can see that select your column and going to the cell shading option and click for the then choose color option, that is okay. Then again that select your column and then click here cell shading option, then choose color option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my